Hi, I'm Skyler. Welcome to AgamidCG, and today is day 24 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. The prompt for today is Yoshi. To be honest, with all of the things I've got going on creatively right now, I've been feeling a bit burnt out, so I just forced myself to pick something. And for some reason, the thing that popped into my head was a game character. I thought it could be interesting to do my own take of Yoshi. While gathering reference, I had this whole idea in my head of a more dragon-like Yoshi, maybe the winged version with Mario riding on his back using the water pack from Mario Sunshine. Spoiler alert, none of that happened. I worked out from a sphere trying to block in Yoshi's almost camel-like body shape, then I pulled out the legs, feet, and arms. My main goal early on was just to get something close to his recognizable silhouette, and then build outward from there. I keep adjusting the proportions intentionally, staying at a very low resolution, and honestly, that's one of the only things I'm happy about with this one. Where things really start to fall apart was the head. I committed pretty early on to this jagged, bulky shape and spent way too much time fighting the mouth. I couldn't decide where the eyes should go. I kind of wanted them lower, but the head shape was just so weird that it kept throwing everything off. I think I was unintentionally chasing this ugly dragon Yoshi hybrid, and maybe I went a little too far with it. At one point I tried doing cutout style eyes, and I quickly realized that I didn't actually know how to do this properly. About halfway through, I got so frustrated that I actually scrapped the entire head and started over. This is actually where you can see some conflicting ideas. I restart with a narrower, more sleek, aerodynamic head, and almost immediately I bulk it up again. No matter what I plan, I keep drifting towards this weird turtle beak shape. With about 10 minutes left, I finally felt like I was where I should have been 10 minutes into the sculpt, and I threw together some quick, rough boots. The original plan was actually complex hiking style boots, but there was just no time. As a last touch, I added the shell on the back, spent a few extra minutes on the tongue and head spikes, and then I did a little bit of poly painting just for practice. I wasn't super happy with how I felt during this one, but I still got another hour of practice in. There is something interesting here, so I would definitely want to come back and push the design more and see where I can go with it. If anything, it's a good lesson on restraint, just accepting what you can realistically get done in an hour and just moving on. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas for things that I should sculpt next, or topics for future videos, or feedback on this one, throw it in the comments. I'll see you on day 25.